Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. A bit delay in publishing today's video because we were totally into family gathering. I had mentioned that in my previous video as well. Everyone from my in-laws had joined and it was a fun-filled weekend at our home. Parents and my younger brother-in-law and family had come home Friday night. This vlog has nothing planned, so you see raw footage of everything, and I made it so to share with you all to see how it is when we all gather. It was later that night when my other brother-in-law and family came home all the way from Calicut. Felt really good because they came home to spend more time. Had it been the next day, they would be able to come only in the evening. Me and my husband decided to order food for lunch and dinner next day because we didn't want the women in the family to be all time in the kitchen. Morning, it had to be home-cooked breakfast because the restaurant nearby our house doesn't serve breakfast. So we cooked Kerala puttu and black chana curd. I had put a reel on this. If you're following me on my Instagram, you might have seen it already. Sabina had office, so there she's leaving for work. After breakfast, we all were free and lunch is anyway from outside. So me and Femi took a walk in our vegetable garden. There's okra or the lady's finger, then string beans, and this is a vegetable, yellow cucumber. It grows so well that we get so much. We give our neighbors and everyone in the family takes home. My sister-in-law Shabna had some work, so my husband went to pick kids and they are home now.
Clay
Molding clay.
molding clay.
As it was getting a bit boring at home, me and Femi got out to the town to hang out. And there's Shabna. Whenever Arman sees his aunt, he gets reminded of this play and stuff. Even evening snacks was ordered. It was egg bhaji and banana fritters. By that time, Sabina is also home. You might know that we have an ice cream shop, Ice Mug. Have shared few videos and reels on it recently and even before. Just few additions of plants will make it more prettier. So we took few plants from home into these glass pots to hang it in the shop. There are few other plants that's bought from store. If you're passing by, please do not forget to get in and taste our delicious treats. It's not just ice creams we sell, there's a lot more, even in the spicy or the savory side. In fact, I forgot that I'm vlogging because I was totally into the excitement and enjoyment when all are around. And it was dinner time. This is how we all sit and relax and have some good chit chats. We had planned for some games, but more than that, we enjoy sitting and discussing so much on different topics. Every morning, me and even anyone at home love to get out and take a walk in our front yard. We have a spacious front yard and it's very lovely to sit and look at the nature, especially the rain pouring down. When my father-in-law is at home, we call our gardener and another person for help to rearrange and clean the garden. As it's monsoon, there are so much weeds growing all over, so we need someone to clean the surroundings. Even in my previous video, I had mentioned I had to change the soil of the money plants hanging because they weren't doing well. Shapna loves gardening and I asked her to help me. Few cuttings were taken to iceberg. As I said, we have a spacious front yard that someone could learn to ride a scooter. Rihan insisted on learning it from a long time and he could easily do it as he knows how to ride a cycle. For lunch, it was our brother-in-law's treat of being promoted to associate professor in his college. We ordered mandi and other grilled dishes. And usually when it's mandi, we just layer on the table and have it together. This is even easy for cleaning. One by one started going back. They had to go after lunch as they had to reach Calicut before evening due to some busy schedule. Later that evening, we, the rest of us, except parents, went for a movie and then all left back home. The house gets messy. My kitchen is all messed up with food here and there. We all clean together. Some are busy outside. Kids are always running here and there. And what to say? Everything is upside down. All these happen when you have your whole family joining together at your residence. I was, and I am still, a person with perfection and couldn't stand all this mess happening around me. But over the period of time, I have learned to be more flexible because that's where you build beautiful relationship in your family or with people who care for you. If you know you can get all those mess right later, then don't worry. Have fun with your family, keeping all those perfections away for a while. For me, I'm lucky to be in a family who understands each other, who helps each other. And this happens when one knows that the other person is one among you and none from outside. Be it my mother-in-law, be it my sister-in-law or co-sisters. They do most of the cleaning before leaving so that it's easy for me for the rest. Nobody will ever come to your home if you frown. The negative vibe will definitely be felt on the other side. So wear a smile all time and stay happy when you have your family around. It spreads positivity automatically. And this doesn't apply for just family, it's for anyone coming home. People come home because they want to see you, they care for you, and they feel close to you. I did have a helping sister coming home, but sad that she wasn't well and wasn't able to come to help me. But there are times when I want to reach my hand in every nook and corner to make myself satisfied that yes, my house is clean. And please do construct a home that you know you can maintain it well. We build beautiful home for us but never ever look for the later part. Maintaining a house is much more harder than building it. So that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. See you with another video soon. Until then, take care. Bye.